In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a milestone in a GitHub project. Whether you're managing a large-scale project or working on a simple personal repository, understanding how to effectively use milestones can greatly enhance your project management within GitHub. Milestones allow you to track progress toward broader project goals by grouping specific issues and pull requests. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the steps. First, you'll want to open the repository where you'd like to create your milestone. When you're on your GitHub homepage, navigate to the upper left corner where you'll see a list of your repositories. Identify and click on the specific project repository you want to manage. This will take you to the main page of the repository. Now focus your attention on the menu bar at the top of the repository page. You'll notice several tabs here such as Code, Issues, Pull Requests, and more. Our next move is to click on the Issues tab. This section is crucial because it's where most of the project management features in GitHub reside, including milestones. Once you're within the Issues tab, look toward the upper right section of that page. You should see a small hyperlink named Milestones. Click on that, and you'll be guided to a new page dedicated to milestones, allowing you to view existing ones or create new ones. This page provides a concise snapshot of your project's roadmap. To introduce a new milestone, locate and click the button labeled New Milestone. This is typically found on the right side of the screen. Clicking this button will lead you to a form where you can input detailed information about your milestone. Now let's focus on filling in the details for your milestone. Begin by entering a title. The title should be concise yet descriptive enough to easily identify the milestone's purpose within your project. Common examples might be version 1.0 or sprint 5. These titles immediately communicate what phase or iteration of the project this milestone pertains to. Below the title, you're given the option to add a description. While this is optional, adding a description can provide further clarity for anyone viewing your milestones. Here you might include specifics about the goals you're hoping to achieve or key deliverables to complete by this milestone. The form also allows you to set a due date, which is another optional field. Adding a due date can be incredibly useful for time-bound projects, as it helps everyone involved to stay on track and prioritize tasks accordingly. It acts as an internal deadline and is a handy tool for time management within the project. Once you've entered all the necessary information and double-check the details to ensure everything is accurate, scroll down and click the Create Milestone button. This action will save your new milestone, making it visible to anyone with access to the repository. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a milestone in your GitHub project. Utilizing milestones helps in maintaining project focus and tracking significant progress, making it an invaluable tool for effective project management. Keep experimenting with them to maximize your efficiency. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to check out our other guides for more insights on managing projects through GitHub.